I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm a coach who helps people professionally in many different ways. And here I want to talk to those of you who are managers, directors, leaders in organizations about the thing that you're going to need to learn about your new hire. Ideally while you're interviewing them, but once they're on board at latest, in order to differentiate one person from another. You're going to have to develop your own questions around this. I'm not going to help. But the notion really is, what's inside them? What is it about them that makes them exceptional? Are they great or are they good enough? Story I'll just tell that I was listening to an interview that a former football player, Terry Bradshaw, did, where he was talking about the current sensation of the National Football League, Patrick Mahomes. And the conversation was, when did you know he was great? He said, not when I saw him in college. He looked like a lot of quarterbacks in that system. And he came to the pros, and even his head coach said, hey, he's going to be okay. But then I saw him play a couple of times at the end of his first season. He looked pretty good. And then he watched him the next year, his first full year as a starter. And you could see what was inside of him, the drive and the desire, not just simply the talent, but the drive and the desire to be exceptional, and how he made the game look easy. And he worked well with the coach, who had a system that was ideal for him. Notice, you have to have a system that's ideal for your players, and your employees are your players, right? People you manage and lead are your players. How do you work with them to bring out their best? But it still comes down to what's inside of them that's going to make them exceptional or not. And can you develop ways of recognizing that and creating an environment that really brings it out? Hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. My website is nobscoachingadvice.com. That has all my content except job search material, which is also, that's located at thebiggamehunter.us. At the end, I'm going to have an outro that includes No BS coaching advice, and that's non-job search related. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching, you can schedule time for a free discovery call or schedule time for coaching. I'd love to help you. And subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Click the small icon in the lower right or the picture of me in the upper left to get notified when I release something new. Hope you have a terrific day and be great. Take care.